Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into the details of two popular countertop nugget ice makers, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker. Both promise to deliver soft, chewable ice. But which one truly stands out? Let's find out. When it comes to daily ice production, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker can produce up to 33 pounds of nugget ice per day, while the Antarctic Star slightly edges ahead with a capacity of 34 pounds. This means that if you're hosting a party or need ice for multiple drinks, the Antarctic Star might have a slight advantage in keeping up with your needs. In terms of design, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker is larger, measuring 14.88 inches wide, which may allow for more internal storage. However, the Antarctic Star offers a more compact design at 8.66 inches wide, making it easier to fit into smaller kitchen spaces. Both machines have a modern look, but the Antarctic Star's smaller footprint may appeal to those with limited counter space. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $249, while the Antarctic Star comes in at a more affordable $209. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, the Antarctic Star might be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Makers have their unique strengths. The Silonn offers slightly faster ice production and more internal storage, while the Antarctic Star is more compact and budget-friendly. Depending on your needs, either could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.